How's it, everyone? Happy Monday. It is June 9th. I've got your forecast ready to roll for the week, so let's get into it. Starting with a live look at Folly on your Monday morning, we've got around 3 feet at 6 seconds of south-southwest wind swell in the water, and local winds are not too bad. So if you've got the itch, maybe get out there and scratch it on your Monday and grab a surf. Tomorrow, Tuesday, that south-southwest wind swell is still going to be in the water around 3 feet at 6 seconds. With that wind swell, though, we are going to have some pretty strong southwest cross-shore winds pretty much holding all day throughout the day on Tuesday. So 15 to 30 mile an hour gusts for tomorrow. So again, local conditions maybe not ideal, but could be some chunky wind peaks for your Tuesday. By Wednesday, that south-southwest wind swell is going to bump down in size a little bit, but winds are also going to be a little bit more favorable, especially in the morning. So should be relatively light, glassy, maybe even offshore Wednesday morning. Wind's going to trend more onshore by the end of the day. But again, still 3 feet at 6 seconds of swell in the water, so might be worth taking a look Wednesday, especially earlier in the day. So by Thursday, most of that south-southwest wind swell has dissipated. We are going to have a little bit more favorable winds. Not seeing as much size on the charts for Thursday or Friday as of right now. We are going to have a little bit longer period swell in the water, but again, not too much to get excited about. These are those kinds of swells around 2 feet at 7 seconds that have produced some sneaky fun days the last few weeks. So worth keeping an eye on, especially first thing in the morning if the winds are going to be light, say Thursday and Friday. But it's not going to be firing by any means. That's kind of the story of most of our summers, though. So Saturday, we've got our ESA contest out at the washout. So we are hoping for a little bump of swell this day. As of right now, they're calling it 2.5 feet of swell at 9 seconds with relatively light onshore winds throughout the day, only 5 to say 15 mile an hour gusts. So fingers crossed that holds out and we get a solid little bump of waves for a good day of competition this coming Saturday. Finally, Sunday, still 2.5 feet at 9 seconds of swell should be in the water, and we've got that lighter style onshore wind pattern still holding true, 5 to 15 miles an hour onshore. Again, guys, story of the summer. Small but rideable. Hopefully everybody gets some waves this week. You.